Welcome to the Nokia SR Linux Learning Essentials video series, brought to you by the Nokia Data Center Fabric Certification Program. This video explains how to configure static routes on the SR Linux router. Static routing is an easy method that can be used by operators to populate networks into the route table. Static routing requires low CPU resources as it has no protocol overhead. A static route is predictable since traffic matching the configured prefix follows the next hop defined in the next hop group. A drawback of using static routes is that they are not scalable. Whenever a new network becomes available, the router must be configured with a static route to reach that network. Static routes on the SR Linux router are configured using two parts, the static route container and the next hop group container. The static route container is where we identify the destination IP prefix and configure the route's preference and metric values. Then we must associate the static route with a next hop group container. The next hop group container is where we specify one or more next hop IP addresses for traffic forwarding. Or we may alternatively specify a black hole if we want to drop the matching packets. The same next hop group container can be associated to multiple static routes. Spine 1, Spine 2, and Leaf 2 are pre-configured. OSPF is used between the Spine routers and Leaf 2. Static routes have been pre-configured on the Spine routers and on Leaf 2, allowing Leaf 2 to reply to a ping from Leaf 1. Leaf 1 is pre-configured with all its physical and logical interfaces in the network instance default. We will configure a static route on Leaf 1 to allow it to ping the loopback IP address of Leaf 2. Let's configure the static route on Leaf 1. First, we'll navigate to Network Instance Default and enter the candidate mode. Let's look at the route table for Network Instance Default. As we can see, there are only the networks that are local to Leaf 1. We will ping Leaf 2 loopback IP address. The ping fails as Leaf 1 has no route to this destination. We will start with configuring the next hop group. We'll call this group Spines and enable it. We want to be able to use both spine routers, so we'll add two next hops in this group. Next hop 1 using the interface IP of spine 1, and then next hop 2 using the interface IP of spine 2. Next, we will exit back to Network Instance Default and start configuring the static route. We'll enter into the static routes context. We define the route to match the destination 100.0.2.2/32, and then associate it to the next hop group spines. We'll use the info command to validate our configuration, and if satisfied, use commit stay to commit the configuration and stay in the network instance default context. Let's look at Leaf 1's route table again. We can now see a static route entry for the IP address of Leaf 2's loopback interface. We can see that the route has two next hops, one to spine 1 and one to spine 2. Let's ping Leaf 2's loopback interface IP address again. The ping is successful. That's it for SR Linux static routes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore the rest of this video series to learn more. And when you're ready to practice what you've learned, my DCF Learning Labs provides comprehensive exercises with step-by-step instructions and solutions, all in one simple browser-based application.